everybody, my name is Judith. I'm a member of Umwari wimurenge Association and its branch of America. As members of this association, we are in deep pain and our hearts are broken due to the killings and the violence committed against our innocent parents, brothers, and sisters for so long time. We call on the Congolese government, the Great Lakes countries community, and other sub-regions, as well as the international community, to call on true justice of Banyamurenge victims and to protect those who are still alive, because Banyamurenge are not only Congolese like other Congolese, but they're also human beings. We are Congolese and we believe that real peace can come only from citizens' unity as well as in justice for all. This is why we call on all the youth in general to prove the real love of our country in order to build up a new DRC without war and discrimination. We hope our voices will be heard for the benefit of our country. Thank you.